Have you ever stopped to consider the importance of a robust online presence in our digital age? It's a fact that cannot be overstated. This is true for everyone, whether you're an individual blogger, a small business owner, or running a large corporation. The quality of your website significantly impacts your success. And that's where blog website designing companies come into the picture. Firstly, these companies offer professionalism and expertise. Take Chahar Technologies in Delhi, for example. With years of experience under their belt, they understand the nuances of blog website design and deliver a professional, user-friendly site. Secondly, a blog website designing company can provide a customized design. Every blog is unique, and your blog's design should reflect its individuality. These companies create designs that align with your brand identity, making your blog stand out in the crowded digital space. In our mobile-dominated era, mobile responsiveness is a non-negotiable feature for any website. Chahar Technologies ensures your blog looks and functions flawlessly on all screen sizes, enhancing the user experience. Another benefit is user-friendly navigation. Companies like Chahar Technologies design websites with intuitive navigation, making it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Slow websites can deter users, and that's why Chahar Technologies optimizes your blog for fast loading speeds, reducing bounce rates, and improving SEO rankings. Speaking of SEO, Chahar Technologies incorporates SEO best practices into your blog's design, making it more discoverable by search engines like Google. Website security is critical to protect your blog and its visitors. Chahar Technologies ensures your site is secure and regularly updates it to prevent vulnerabilities. They can also set up user-friendly content management systems like WordPress, giving you control over your blog's content. Need a unique feature for your blog? Chahar Technologies can integrate plugins, widgets, and custom coding to meet your specific requirements. Your blog is an extension of your brand, and Chahar Technologies maintains brand consistency in your blog's design, fonts, colors, and imagery. Technical issues can be overwhelming. That's why these companies provide technical support to address any problems promptly. Websites require regular maintenance to function optimally. Chahar Technologies offers maintenance packages to keep your blog up to date. Understanding your blog's performance is essential. Blog website designing companies integrate analytics tools to provide insights into visitor behavior and preferences. While DIY website design may seem cost-effective, it often results in time and money wasted on fixing errors. Hiring professionals like Chahar Technologies is a more efficient and economical choice. By outsourcing your blog's design to a blog website designing company, you can focus on creating content, leaving the technical side to the experts. So, why not consider hiring a blog website designing company? With their expertise and a range of services, they can help you create a blog that not only looks great but functions seamlessly. With a company like Chahar Technologies, you're in good hands. Remember, in the digital world, your blog is your calling card. Make it count.